Example 4. Part A. A plane leaves London on a flight to Dubai. At one time during the flight, the temperature inside the plane is 17 degrees Celsius. The temperature outside of the plane will be negative 43 degrees Celsius. Find out the difference between the inside and outside temperatures. Okay, you're asked to find the difference, and then you see that one is a positive number, the other one is a negative number. Okay, so when you have a positive and negative number, this is what you will do. So the difference must be done by taking the positive number minus away the negative number. Okay, in other words, you can just write down you're looking at 17 minus 43. So again, just to remind you, if you see two signs lined up together, the second sign put in bracket like what I'm doing here. And then you see there's a minus minus, so that will give you plus. So it becomes 17 plus 43, and that gives you 60. Okay, so the difference will be 60 degrees Celsius. B. The plane leaves London, where the temperature outside is 17 degrees Celsius, and then the plane rises to a height where the temperature outside is negative 43 degrees Celsius. The temperature decreases by 2 degrees Celsius with every increase of 300 meters in height. You're asked to calculate the increase in height of the plane. Okay, so the temperature difference will be same as what we saw in part A. So that will be 60 degrees Celsius, right? Okay, so we know that originally it was 17, then dropped down to negative 43, right? And then we see that the difference is 60 degrees, okay, from part A. And then it says that the temperature decreases by 2 degrees Celsius. That means every 2 degrees difference, you will see increase of 300 meters. So every interval you see 2 degrees. So how many 2 degrees are there in the interval of 60 degrees? So we find how many intervals are there first. Okay, so I'm taking 60 divided by 2. That will give me 30 such intervals. And every interval you will see an increase of 300 meters. Okay, so one interval. Okay, so there are 30 such intervals. One interval you will see 300 meters increase in height. So now I have 30 such intervals. So you take 30 times 300. So you get a total of 9,000 meters, which is the increase in height of the plane. Okay, this section you have a worksheet 2.